Got 10,000 subscribers in just 10 days? Sounds impossible, right? Well, I did it, and I'm going to show you exactly how. No ads, no bots, just pure strategy. If you've been stuck at 100 subs or less, this video might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. So grab a notebook, because I'm giving you the exact blueprint, step by step. Step 1, nail your niche. The first step is clarity. You need to know exactly who you're making videos for. Don't just post random content. Find a niche with a hungry audience, like beginner tutorials, trending reactions, or product reviews. The more specific, the faster you grow. My niche? Quick YouTube growth hacks, and it exploded when I focused. Step 2, post high-value videos daily. During those 10 days, I uploaded one video every day, but not just any video. Each one answered a specific question my target viewers were searching for. Value equals growth. Use tools like TubeBuddy or Vidic to find high-volume, low-competition keywords. Then, turn those into clear, focused tutorials with strong titles and thumbnails. Step 3, use viral formats that work. Want your videos to pop? Use proven viral formats. Try How to Guides. Top 5 Mr. Kessie tried this for 7 days style challenges. Keep them short, punchy, and straight to the point. YouTube favors high retention, so cut the fluff and deliver fast. Step 4, engage like a pro. In every video, ask viewers a question they'll want to answer in the comments. Heart their reply. Pin the best ones. Mention viewers by name in your next video. That personal touch builds a loyal audience, and loyal fans subscribe and stay. Engagement signals growth to the YouTube algorithm. And step 5, promote smartly. Don't just upload, share. I posted my videos in niche Facebook groups, Reddit threads, and community pages. But here's the trick. Add value first, then drop your video. Don't spam. Position it as helpful content, not self-promotion. That's how I got my first 1,000 views in just a few hours. A bad thumbnail can kill a great video. Use this simple formula. Big, bold text, bright background on, emotional facial expression, visual hint of your topic, in 2 to 3 versions, and test which one gets the best CTR. It makes all the difference. Let's recap. You need a clear niche, daily high-value videos, viral formats, powerful engagement, and smart promotion. Stick to this plan for 10 days, and you'll be shocked by the results. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Just keep showing up. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass for more real strategies that actually work. Drop a comment with your channel goal. I'd love to cheer you on. See you in the next video. And hey, your 10,000 subscribers journey starts today. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day, everyone.